Hey, Elaine here with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this easel card with the lighter than air suite. Here is my hot air balloon easel card using the lighter than air suite. The suite includes the hot air balloon bundle. You can make your own balloon in different colors and patterns and shapes with the dies and the stamp set. And it also includes a set of twine, lemon lolly, balmy blue, and flirty flamingo, and these rainbow dots, and the lighter than air designer series paper. This paper is super fun because you can use the dies to cut out some of these balloons on the first page here. So that heart die and then this small balloon die will cut out some of the images on this page. But you also have some really fun and colorful pages, dots, stripes, patterns, diamonds. I've started off with an 11 by 4 1/4 piece of thick basic white cardstock, and I've scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2, and then folded them to create the top part of the card. Next, I've cut some designer series paper, both at 4 inches wide. This one is 5 1/4 to go inside, and this one is 2 1/2 inches tall to go on the top. Next, I have a 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 piece of Pool Party, and I'm gonna layer this fun DSP pattern on top, and it is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. And then I'll just put 2 dimensionals here on the top to adhere this Pool Party piece. I'm going to stamp the large hot air balloon, and then the middle sections I'm going to stamp in lemon lolly. All right, I've got all my elements here. I stamped and cut out all the little baskets, and I have the flags. And then I have this detailed piece here with an adhesive backing. I'm just going to stamp Wish Big in Azure Afternoon and add some dimensionals. And that will be for the inside of the card. And for the outside of the card, I'm going to add some of these fun rainbow dots. So we'll do one of those and one of these. And then we'll do a lemon lolly one over here, and one of those over here, and then I'll make 2 bows for the balloons. And that is my hot air balloon easel card. Get my lighter than air card kit for free when you place a $35 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit, and I will send it to you.